In this video, I will show you how to get an invisible name on Discord. Launch the Discord on your phone or PC. Go to User Settings, then Profiles. You will see your display name here. Go to the website link given in the description. Copy the invisible character between the brackets. Drag to highlight the character. Right-click, copy, or press Ctrl C. Go back to your Discord profile, delete your current display name, paste the invisible character using Ctrl V or right click, then click on Paste, then click Save Changes. Your display name will now be invisible. Check your Discord server, your name will disappear. And that's it. You now have an invisible name on Discord. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.